Welcome to BrainFlex. Flex your brain, change your game.
Hey everyone, welcome back to BrainFlex.
If you're new here, this is the place where we help you speak English confidently and naturally.
Not textbook English,
Not robotic English.
real English, the kind people actually use.
And today's topic is one of the most important speaking skills ever.
How to talk about yourself in English.
Because sooner or later, someone will ask you.
Tell me about yourself.
It sounds easy, right?
But when someone actually asks you,
Your brain freezes.
you suddenly forget your name.
You forget your job.
You even forget where you live.
And you say something like, myself, John, I am coming from... And that's exactly what we're fixing today.
Okay, first rule, don't panic.
Second rule, follow structure.
We're going to use this simple structure: present, past, personality, hobbies, goals.
If you follow this, you'll never go blank again.
Okay, part 1, present.
Start with who you are now.
Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm currently working as a sales manager in a retail company.
Notice the word currently. It sounds professional.
More examples. I'm currently a college student studying psychology. I work as a software developer. I run a small online business.
Now talk briefly about your background. For example,
Before this, I worked in customer service. I graduated from the University of Texas. I grew up in California.
keep it short. Don't tell your life story.
Now describe yourself.
I'm a hardworking person. I'm detail-oriented. I'm passionate about learning. I'm very organized.
This makes you sound confident. Now, hobbies. Americans often say, outside of work, in my free time, when I'm not working. Example, outside of work, I enjoy hiking and reading. In my free time, I like going to the gym.
Now, finish strong with your goals. I'm looking to grow professionally. I hope to start my own business. I want to improve my communication skills.
Here's a full, strong example. Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm currently working as a marketing specialist at a tech company. I graduated with a degree in business administration, and I've always been interested in branding and communication. I would describe myself as motivated and detail-oriented. Outside of work, I enjoy photography and traveling. In the future, I hope to build my own creative agency.
That's structured, confident, natural.
Now let's make it casual at a party or social setting.
Hey, I'm Mike. I work in tech. I'm really into fitness and traveling. I'm trying to start my own side business.
See? Shorter, relaxed, friendly. In interviews, be structured.
Start present. Mention past experience. End with future goals.
Keep it between 1 to 2 minutes.
Not 10 minutes.
Let's fix common mistakes.
Myself, John. I'm John. I am coming from Texas. I'm from Texas. I am working here since 5 years. I've been working here for 5 years.
Small changes, big difference. Here's how to practice. Record yourself. Listen back. Improve small parts.
Also, practice in front of a mirror. It feels weird, but it works.
Another trick, time yourself.
Speak for 30 seconds, then a minute, then 2 minutes.
Okay, right now, pause the video.
Introduce yourself using name, location, job, personality, hobbies, goals.
Don't write it, speak it.
Remember, fluency is not magic.
It's repetition.
Confidence is not personality.
It's practice.
The more you speak, the easier it becomes.
Even native speakers practice.
Let's end with one strong, advanced version.
Hi, I'm James. I'm currently working as a financial analyst in Chicago. I graduated with a degree in economics and have been working in the finance industry for over 5 years. I would describe myself as analytical, disciplined, and goal-oriented. Outside of work, I enjoy reading about personal development and staying active at the gym. In the long term, I hope to move into a leadership position where I can mentor others and contribute strategically to business growth.
That's confident English.
All right, everyone, that's today's episode of BrainFlex Learn English.
Now it's your turn to practice. And before we end,
Here's your question of the day.
if someone asked you right now, tell me about yourself, how would you answer?
Write your introduction in the comment section below.
Keep it between 5 to 8 sentences.
We'll read them.
And maybe feature the best ones in the next episode.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep flexing your brain.
This is BrainFlex.
See you next time.
Bye!